Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Welcome. My name is Kelly. So in today's video, I'm gonna do a cooking vlog. So I cooked my dinner last night, and then I cooked breakfast this morning, and I put it together in one video. And here we are, this is the video. So keep watching for my little cooking vlog. For dinner, I'm making this little meal that I make all the time. It's kind of like a taco salad with hamburger meat and Tostitos. Super bomb, quick and easy little comfort meal that I like to cook for myself. Also, side note, sorry for taking so long to upload another video. It gets hard sometimes because I'm only one person, so it's hard for me to like film myself and be in the video at the same time because it's hard for me to focus my camera while I'm far away from the camera. Blah blah blah. There's things. Anyways, sorry, but I'm back. Here's a video. Before we start watching, go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you show some love. Subscribe to my channel. Stay up to date with all my other videos, and let's jump into today's video. Okay, so these are the ingredients. So we have a pound of beef, McCormick taco seasoning, and then Tostitos scoops chips. And then I'm also gonna make a salad, and I got Italian dressing for that. First, we're gonna brown our meat. Let me clear the stove off. I'm gonna put this shit in the fridge. Should I put the salad in the crisper? I feel like yes, but I have to eat it quick or else it'll go bad. And then, will this fit here? No. All right, that goes there. Got my pan. Gonna turn the heat up. Right now I have the heat pretty high, like up around 8, just so the pan heats up nice. Okay, so I just browned the meat, drained the fat, poured in 3/4 of a cup of water and the taco seasoning, and now I'm mixing it up. Oh, medium to high heat, I need to turn the heat up because then I'm going to bring this to a boil. Okay, bring to boil, reduce heat and simmer 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Okay, perfect. Well, I would say this is like, you know, starting to boil, so I'm gonna look for the lid. Okay, what? Does this even tell me to cover it? No. Okay. I don't need a lid, never mind. So I'm just gonna reduce the heat. What the hell? Oh my god, you guys, look at this heart-shaped pan that I got. I'm gonna use it for my breakfast tomorrow. I'm gonna make pancakes, and I got unicorn funfetti and powdered sugar. It's gonna be a vibe. Gonna get my bowl ready. We have a heart-shaped bowl too, so cute. So this has like 2 more minutes left, and then I'm gonna put it in the bowl. Okay, so the meat is done. I'm going to put some in a bowl. And then I have a Tupperware for these leftovers. Oops, this is kind of too big, but whatever. I'm gonna wash these 2 really quick. I don't know why, but I always feel so much better when I wash my dishes before I eat my food, because then I don't have to worry about doing it afterwards. So I just do it real quick. Okay, so back to this. I'm gonna add some of this Mexican style 4 cheese blend on top of my meat. Then I'm gonna get some salad. And I'll add some cheese to that too. Hell yeah, gotta love cheese, am I right? Unless you're lactose intolerant, then I understand. Gonna add some Tostitos scoops to my bowl. And then I'll just start grabbing them out of the bag once those are gone. All right, got the salad dressing. And then yay, there's my quick and easy dinner for tonight. I literally make this all the time, the hamburger meat and Tostitos. I think it's so good with the taco seasoning. You guys should try it. Okay, well there was that. That was my little go-to comfort meal that is quick and easy and that I make, you know, every now and then. And then I also have these pita chips. They're like cinnamon sugar. Fire. I also have Haagen-Dazs ice cream. I have coffee flavor and then strawberry flavor. I had a coffee flavor up here in this mini fridge, but the freezer inside this mini fridge like doesn't work that well, so unfortunately it melted my ice cream, but that's okay. It was only a mini size, and I have 3 more downstairs. So, you know, at least that's good. These are so good. I love the cinnamon sugar flavor. They have like other savory flavors too that you can dip in like hummus or something, but yeah, so good. Oh yeah, okay, look at what I got. I got a Pioneer Woman cookbook. A super easy cookbook. So I'm gonna make some of the recipes in here eventually. Hopefully sooner than later. Had to go grab my Dr. Pepper, the Superior Soda. Dude, sad times. Mini cans of Dr. Pepper have not been in the grocery store recently, so I've been having to get Cherry Pepsi and Mountain Dew, which is okay, but like, Dr. Pepper is the best. superior. So it's been a sad time, but at least I have a bottle of it. I want to do another Q&A video soon, so where should people send me questions? I don't know if people like to send me questions anonymously, because some people, I don't know, some people like to send me questions anonymously. So yeah, I'm trying to think of where people should send me questions. This is literally so dope. I'm obsessed. Hey! It's like I'm on TV. Yay! Okay, well I guess that'll be it for this video. I don't really know what else to say. Thank you so much for watching. Sorry for taking so long to make another video. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye! Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and keep an eye out for the questions for my future Q&A video. Okay, bye! Okay, so it's the next morning actually, and I decided I'm gonna make my breakfast with you guys. So let's make the pancakes. We have our cute little heart-shaped pan, the unicorn funfetti pancake mix. We have our syrup, we have our powdered sugar. And first I'm gonna make some coffee. So I have this Vanilla International Delight right now. And then I have a lot of creamers right now. I have the Cold Stone Sweet Cream, the Caramel Macchiato, and the Irish Cream. I think I'm gonna use this one because this one's almost gone and I need to get rid of it because I clearly have too much. Okay, I have my big mason jar cup. I'm gonna mix some of this whipping cream in it too, and the froth to make the froth more frothy. Okay, so the order of things. First, I'm gonna add ice to my cup. Then I'm gonna do my froth. So I got this milk frother off of Amazon. It's a Zule kitchen milk frother, and it came with this tin cup. And I think the cup makes a difference with the frothing. Like instead of doing it in a normal cup, like I think this makes it better. Anyways, I'm gonna take my sweet cream creamer. I'm gonna pour some in here. And then I'm gonna take the whipping cream and I'm gonna add a little bit of this. I never know how much to do, like I really don't know. So that'll be that. And then I'm gonna take the milk frother and I'm just gonna put it in there and start frothing. Okay, that's frothed. I definitely think that the whipping cream helps make the froth be more like frothy and airy and creamy and stuff. Okay, then I'm gonna pour my coffee. Also, make sure you shake everything, the creamer, the coffee, the everything. Okay, so I'm gonna pour that. I'm gonna leave some room for the froth. Okay, and then it looks so good and creamy. Oh, I'm obsessed. Okay. How good does that look? Yum. And then I have this little smiley face. Should I try to make something in the foam? Even though the foam is like really pretty and I don't want to mess it up. For the fun of it, let's do it. I have this Cinnamon Toast Crunch Cinnadust that I'm gonna use. And then I'm just gonna sprinkle it. Oops, holy sh! I thought the sprinkle side was open and the pour side was open, so like, oops. So I'm just gonna disperse this with my fingers. Okay, the moment of truth. Let's see if it works. Dang it, the froth was too frothy. That usually works, but the froth has to be like sitting flat for it to lay flat, which, you know, makes sense. Anyways, now I'm adding these sprinkles because they're cute. And I have the straw. And boom, here we have my delicious coffee. Now let's start the pancakes. So I'm not gonna follow the directions exactly because this only has like for 6 to 8 pancakes. And I literally need like less than that. So it says if you want thicker pancakes, add less water. And if you want thinner pancakes, add more water. So, you know, I'm just gonna mix the two until the consistency looks normal, I guess. Okay, what is it supposed to be? 1 cup of mix with 3/4 cup of water. Okay, just kidding. I am gonna use the direction because I don't want to mess up. I've never actually made pancakes before, secret's out, so this will be my first time. Okay, so it's 1 cup of mix and then 3/4 of a cup of water. Probably should have used a bigger bowl, but it's okay. I liked the heart theme and I thought it'd be easy to pour with like this corner here, whatever. Anyways, gonna mix this. And then it says to let the mix sit for 3 minutes after you stir it, so I'm gonna do that. Okay, this is stirred. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more mix because it looks a little watery. I don't know how it's supposed to look. I like literally don't know, but whatever. I love how pink it is. It's so cute. Okay, so I'm gonna let that sit for 3 minutes and I have this heating up. I have it set between 5 and 6. Hopefully that's good, I don't know. Okay, I'm back. I forgot to put vegetable oil in the pan, so I'm gonna do that now. It's hot. Is that too much? I don't know. It kind of looks like too much. Should I pour some out? I don't know anything about this, bro. But I feel like if I pour some out, then it won't be coating the pan, because right now it's not even coating the whole pan. Do you get what I'm saying? I do not know. I'm scared already. Ah! Holy shit, burn in the sink. Oh my god, this is starting off crazy. Well damn, I'm a little frightened, To begin, I'm gonna use a soup ladle and spoon it in. Oh my god, I feel like it's gonna fry like chicken. What the heck? This is my practice pancake, I guess. Oh, it smells good already. That's a good sign. This says use vegetable oil, right? Okay, I'm gonna try to... Oh wait, how do I flip it? Because it like has to fit in the pan. Okay, this is not working out. How do people do this? Okay, so I think I need to turn that down. Okay, so yeah, that was my practice pancake. That was painful to watch. Good thing I made extra mix, am I right? Okay, so I'm gonna throw this one away and I'm gonna try again. Okay, here we go. Let's try again. I guess add a little more vegetable oil. I don't know. I literally do not know what is enough and what is not enough, so hopefully that is enough. I'm gonna pour some of the mix in. So weird, I feel like the oil makes it like, gives me fried chicken vibes. Like, I don't know, I'm not sure. Why have I never been able to make pancakes? Like, why is pancakes the thing that defeats me? I remember seeing or hearing somewhere that like when the little bubbles pop up, maybe I should look up a YouTube video on how to make pancakes. Maybe that's what I need to do. But wait, I think, okay, well, I can't flip it right now. Hold on. I'm gonna be patient. I'm gonna try to make this one work. Okay, I'm gonna wait a little more. I don't know, I want it to be a clean flip so it stays in the shape of a heart. Okay, this is promising. Holy sh, how do I, oh no, I don't want, ah! Oh my god, okay, yay! Okay, it won't be perfect, but definitely more successful than the first one. And this one seems like it will be edible, so yay, perfect, that's what we're looking for. I don't know. I'm gonna try more on this side. Wonder if I need to turn the heat up again. Yeah, because I don't know if it's cooked on the inside. Who knew cooking pancakes was so not that easy? Me, I knew, that's why I've never made them before. I've tried, but it always turns out like unsuccessful and then I literally give up every time. So I need to push through that and I need to make some good pancakes in my life. We're turning over new leaves. What? I feel like in the movies and shit, when people make pancakes, it doesn't take this long. Did I burn that side? These don't look right. Do I need to turn the heat up? Like, I literally do not know. I'm YouTubing how to cook pancakes because this is just terrible. The video I brought up to help me is like literally a 7-year-old doing this. What? Okay, I'm gonna keep trying this because I mean, I've gotta get one good pancake, right? I've gotta. Oh, I forgot to put oil in. Okay, so in that YouTube video that I just watched, they're pretty much doing the same thing that I'm doing, so I'm not doing it wrong, I just need to do it better. Okay, which I can do that, I can do that, I can do that. This one's looking good, this one looks like it has promise. Flipping it is hard in this heart-shaped pan because you gotta line it up and make sure it doesn't, like, you know, it's not that easy, but I'm learning. Oh my god, I feel like this pancake will be perfect. How the freak do I flip it? Oh my god, I'm a genius. Yay, I think this pancake is gonna be perfect. Yay, 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 my first pancake. Oh, I'm so happy about this little pancake. Go little rock star. Now, how do I know when the underneath is cooked? I don't know. Should I be patient? I don't want to burn it. Now is it done? Ah! I'm gonna do a little bit more on that side. Yay! Oh my gosh, this pancake is done and it turned out perfect. Oh, that's so exciting. Finally, a good pancake. I'm gonna add some more oil. I don't know how much oil I'm supposed to add. I literally have no idea. I don't know if this is too much oil. Is this too much oil? I'm gonna pour some out. Ah! It's so sketchy when I do that because like my sink, okay, anyway, whatever. I'm gonna try another pancake. I don't remember how much mix I used for the last pancake. Definitely more than that. I'm gonna cut up some strawberries to add on the top, and then I have grapes for the side as well. Look at this strawberry, it's like 4 strawberries in one. Can you tell? Crazy. Oh my god, it's so cool. That was a dope strawberry. I don't want to cut it more because it was so pretty, but I will. Okay, cool. So the fruit is done. Okay, now I'm gonna add some powdered sugar. That was kind of a lot. Okay, I have some whipped cream. I'm gonna add some dollops of that. Wow, this came out like perfect. Yay, those are so cute. I didn't expect them to turn out so perfect. Okay, and then I have the same sprinkles that I used in the top of my coffee to make this more funfetti and cute. No, this one's falling over. The more sprinkles, the merrier. How fun. Okay, now I'm gonna add the strawberries. Try to push that back up. Then I'm gonna throw my grapes on the plate and all my extra strawberries. And what doesn't fit, I'm just gonna eat right now. This is such a masterpiece. Look at how great this is. Yum. Okay, well, I am about to dive in. This looks delicious. I'm proud of myself for making my first successful batch of pancakes. And they were cute pink heart-shaped pancakes. Yay! Oh, and of course you already know I finished the dishes before I sat down. Alright guys, well that was all for my little cooking vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys end up cooking either of these dishes, you should definitely send me a picture. I want to see what you make. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye!